Hello, Mr. Mailer here, your online math teacher, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing my video series on Excel tips. So if you found this video helpful, consider hitting the like button and subscribing, and let's go. So we're going to take a look at how to find standard deviations of some basic data in Excel today. So I have some boys' heights and girls' heights here in columns A and B. So I want to find the standard deviation. Like any formula or function you're going to use in Excel, you need to start by clicking on the cell where you want to put your information and hitting equals. So once I've done this, pressing equals is Excel's way of knowing I'm trying to call a function. The good thing is most of our basic statistical functions, if we just start typing them, Excel knows what we're trying to ask for. So if I want the standard deviation of the boys' heights, I've clicked on F3 here, and if I start typing standard deviation, or I'll start typing ST, it's going to give me a few different options. So in the two main ones you're probably going to use are your population or your sample standard deviation. Say this is a sample of boys' heights from a grade at a high school. If it's a sample, I'm going to use the STDEV.S for sample here. So I'll click that. Then I can highlight my data that I want to be inside of standard deviation. I'll close it with a parentheses and hit enter. Similarly, I could do the same thing with girls. So equals STDEV, but then I want sample. If this is a sample, instead of clicking and dragging like I did before, I could always type in the data values. So I want the array that goes from B2 colon B12 colon, because it's an array. And maybe this is an overall sample from the school. So I'm going to do equals STDEV. I'm again going to do .s. Highlight my boys data. But then I want my girls data too. I can put a comma and then enter in my girls data. And I have my overall standard deviation. So I could find the standard deviation for my entire sample, but compare it how the boys' standard deviation and the girls' standard deviation matched. And this was for if I did this for a sample SD. Maybe these are entire populations. So normally you're going to be doing sample ones, but you could always do standard deviation of a population as well. But know that your values are going to be slightly different because of the standard deviation formula is different. So, but it works exactly the same. And maybe I'm going to go from A2 colon A11. So sometimes I drag, sometimes I actually write it out, comma, B2 colon B12. So it's whatever's going to be easiest for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider hitting the like button and have an awesome day.